Hello dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am coming with different types of earrings, GS earrings, German silver earrings, varieties of studs and the hoop earrings. Now see, you can see that, see here I am taking one earrings. It is a stud type earrings. Uh, Too much pretty stud is there, and stone are mounted on it. Many colors are available. See here, it is the ruby color. Same way here a black color, you can see that. Okay, black color stud is there. Same way here a bottle green color is there. So when you are going to wear on any ethnic attire, or you can say you can also wear on the western wear too. So it will look very pretty much when you are going to wear it. Same way, so see here another hoop style earring is there. If you like the hoop, see quality is too much high, and it is the German silver, and design is too much pretty and unique. You can wear on the office wear, or you can say on your western wear. It will look very pretty much. Same way another hoop style earring is there. It is a very simple and very sturdy. When you are going to wear on the western wear, or you can say office wear, daily wear, then it will look very nice. Then another earring is there. It is also hoop style. Pattern is different. See here, little bit long earring is there. If you like the long earring, then you can go here. You can wear on your office wear, daily wear, and western wear too. These all earring you can wear on the ethnic attire, or you can say the western attire. Will look very pretty much when you are going to wear it. Same way another hoop style earring is there. See here half semicircle flower is there. So looks very nice and very decent when you are going to wear it. Same way, see here it is the another unique design is there. It is called a matka. So material is a German silver, and it is a very sturdy, and if you are going to wear on the western attire, then it will look very pretty, and you can wear daily wear, daily office wear too. Same way simple stud is there. See here a little bit a small stud is there. You can use as a daily wear too. Same way another stud is there. See here a round circle, and stone are mounted. Here a bottle green stone are there, and material is heavy, and see here many colors are available. Here dual color is there, white and blue. Same way another dual color is there, that is the white and bottle green. So many color I have. If you want to show my hand stock collection, then you can go to my channel, or you can go the link which is given below in the description. I have many collections of the GS earrings, as well as the GS kada, as well as the ethnic attire too. Same way another one stud is there. It will look decent and very pretty when you are going to wear on the ethnic attire. Occasionally you can wear this. Look very pretty when you are going on the wear on the occasion. Traditional wear you can say you can wear on a traditional wear, and many colors are available in these two. It is the ruby color, like a green color, then blue color. So many colors are available in these designs too. Same way another one hoop style is there. See semicircle, you can wear on the western wear, and daily wear you can wear on daily wear too. So these all are the GS earrings, varieties of the GS wearing. If you like, then subscribe my channel, and for the order you can join my WhatsApp group. The link is given into the description. Thank you.